Hello friends. Today I am here to share about National Popcorn Day. National Popcorn Day pops onto the scene every year on January 19th. The annual celebration recognizes a treat that satisfies munchies day or night. Now let's get to know about this National Popcorn Day in short, the little history behind this day and also about the celebration. Now let's get started. Buttered, salted, kettled, drizzled with caramel, popcorn is one of those snacks perfect anytime, anywhere. It's great on the go in the theater or in your living room. Popcorn has been around forever and has been used for everything from a delicious snack to jewelry to art. It's about the time that popcorn got its credit for being so versatile, convenient and reliable. Now let's get to know about how does this corn pop. Now let's get to know about why does corn pop. In the middle of popcorn kernels is a tiny droplet of water surrounded by a hard shell called hull. As the popcorn comes into contact with dry heat, the water turns into steam which builds pressure inside the kernel. When the hull can no longer contain the pressure, the kernel explodes, essentially turning inside out to expose and inflate its soft starchy interior. So this is how the corn pop. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this National Popcorn Day. Now moving on to the little history behind this National Popcorn Day. The amazing origins of this popular day is mysteriously a myth. However, we have been celebrating the day since at least 1988. Did you know that the corn we eat and the corn we pop are two different varieties of maize? In fact, the corn you'd find on your dinner table is most likely unable to pop at all. Only one variety of corn is able to become popcorn, Zymesas everta. This particular corn variety has small ears and the kernels burst when exposed to dry heat. In 1948, small heads of G. mays everta were discovered by Herbert Dick and Errol Smith in the Bat Cave of west central New Mexico. Ranging from smaller than a penny to about 2 inches, the oldest bat cave ears were about 4,000 years old. Several individually popped kernels were also discovered which have since been carbon dated and shown to be approximately 5,600 years old. There's also evidence of early use of popcorn in Peru, Mexico, Guatemala as well as other places in Central and South America. Aztecs used popcorn to decorate their clothes, create ceremonial embellishments and also for nourishment. Native Americans have also been found to consume and utilize popcorn in their day-to-day lives. In a cave in Utah thought to be inhabited by Pueblo Native Americans, popcorn has been found that dates back to over 1,000 years ago. French explorers who traveled to the New World discovered popcorn being made by the Iroquois natives in the Great Lakes region. As colonists moved from North America and as the USA came to be, many people adopted popcorn as a popular and healthy snack. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this National Popcorn Day. Now, moving on to the celebration of this National Popcorn Day. On this National Popcorn Day, pop a big bowl of popcorn and enjoy your favorite movie with your friends and family. Also, you can make popcorn jewelry. Why not make a long necklace for your friends and family members? It will definitely make you the most popular person at the office happy hour. Also, put on the Popcorn Olympics at your office. Popcorn basketball, popcorn air hockey, popcorn relay race. Burn off the pent-up energy gathered from sitting in a chair all day and get competitive with your co-workers. And when you're feeling a little peckish, munch on some popcorn and keep the fun going. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this National Popcorn Day, also knowing about how does this popcorn pop, the little history behind this National Popcorn Day and also about the celebration.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.